you struggle to sleep at night, then I'm going to show you a super simple way to weave some sleepy herbs into your nighttime routine. It's delicious and you've probably already got the ingredients in your kitchen cupboard. I'm using Happy Herbs Chamomile and Rose Petals, but you could really use any herbs that help to calm the nervous system. There's only one other ingredient, and it is honey. Honey and powdered herbs create a blend known as an electuary. Honey has its own sleep-inducing properties, but when you add the powdered herbs, you get an enhanced, beautiful botanical honey that can help induce sleep. Place a couple of tablespoons each of your herbs into a blender and blend till you get a fine powder. Into a clean and sterilised bowl, add 4 tablespoons of your powdered herb and about a half a cup of honey. Mix the herbs and honey really well and then store in a clean and sterilised glass jar. And there it is.